is if I saw something like this, like if you had, let's say up here, word of the week, right? And so you have a really cool graphic that works. But I'd also like to be able to see a video where you're actually pronouncing it. Yeah, you're doing it phonetically here, which is fine. But I want to see my tutors in action. I want to get to know you. And if I'm a dad or a mom, I'm thinking of my wife, Linda, right? Who's perfect. She's looking for extracurricular activities for the kids and everything else. And if I'm her, I want to see how you guys actually, how you operate. I want to meet the tutors. I want to hear you pronouncing words and teaching them. I want all of that because that's going to get me one step closer to jumping to happyplum.org and signing up with you. So I would say the same content strategy that you've used where you're theming things, make quick videos, 15 or 30 seconds. They don't have to be super high quality. You can jump on Zoom with one of your tutors and just go through words, record it, and then you can clip the recording in iMovie or Windows Movie Maker or any app on your phone. That's going to be huge content for you. The other reason why I say that, you know, just like you said, follow through and everything. Someone's reading this. Oh, wow, that's so beautiful. Look at the dragon boats. Oh, look at that plum. So cute. But are they actually like absorbing what you're saying, right? The message that you have. So inserting videos, even if it's like, I would say 2 times a week, sub out and put videos in, even if you change it up and they're the different themes, make it more interactive, but someone is going to sit there and actually press play and watch that video for 15 or 30 seconds, especially if they're doing their due diligence.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
And how often do you watch videos? All the time, I'm guessing, right?
Yes.
So do I. All the time. I'm either watching videos or making videos or watching my kids watch videos, right? So the other thing that I will tell you is you've got a really cute character here. One thing I can tell you from being a dad who gives their kids screen time is that they're watching all different kinds of crap all the time. I'm hearing all different languages as well. But one thing that I love is when I can find a good channel where it's actually, even if it's just still frame and it's just like the picture of the plum and it's saying something and then it says it in English, consider doing that. Use your Canva skills, put it into a slideshow, do some narration over it, voiceover, and make some quick videos.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Great, great content. And that's something where, you know, if it says like, hey, this video is hey, this, I'm here and I'm a Happy Plum tutor. We teach Mandarin online and in person. Here's a great video to learn a few words, how to say hello and start your day in Mandarin, blah, blah, blah. Easy. Yep.